Shalom guys, so I just want to show y'all how I made this super cute denim distressed jacket with the border blue. So I got the jacket from Shein. I showed you guys this jacket in a haul that I did. I'll link that video below in the description box. So you need scissors and a sewing machine, of course, and let's get it. So I'm just cutting that bottom part off. I'm cutting in a straight line. But I'm trying to cut in a straight line. It doesn't have to be perfect though, sis. Like,
Mommy, turn the TV off. Yes.
Y'all hear Noah? Okay. So I reached the end and I'm done cutting. And as you guys can see, you know, denim naturally frays on its own. But I'm gonna pop this in the washer so the frays and the fringes can be much more defined. But yeah, it's gonna be so cute. And save your scraps, sis. That can be a belt, girl. That can be something. Save it, save it, save it. So this is the border blue that I used. Got this from Joann's. And here, I'm just sewing that thing on there. Annoying. So here I'm continuing to sew down the border blue. I'm using a zigzag stitch just so both ends are nice and secure, and I left a little bit of space in between the edge of the border blue and the actual edge of the jacket because I don't want the fringes to actually go any further than the border blue. And I'm getting my life. So this is how I reinforce my border blue on any item of clothing that I'm sewing. I basically just sew to the end and then I double it over so it doesn't look all toe up and cut off. And it looks nice and neat that way. So I'm just folding it over and then I'm gonna continue sewing and then I'm gonna reinforce that stitch. So this is what it looks like so far. Nice and secure. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and re-stitch it a second time just to make sure nothing comes off in the washing machine because I am gonna be washing this jacket. So this is the final product. See, the fringes are already coming out themselves, but it's gonna be much cuter, much more distressed, girl, when I wash it. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere, so, And that is it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and shalom.